off we go.
Yeah. Bikers forever.
Whoa, I like that. So this was Kahan's special wish. He wanted a solo ride, just him and me. And he selected the destination, Kadana Dam, which was about 190 kilometers from Ahmedabad, one way. The internal roads in this eastern part of Gujarat are beautiful. The light and shadows, it's mesmerizing. The Shiv temple, perched on a hilltop, offers beautiful panoramic views of the reservoir, the Mahi River, and the Kadana Dam. The Kadana Dam is located in the Panchmahal district of eastern Gujarat. The construction started in 1979 and it took 10 years to complete this earthen masonry dam. It's not a concrete dam. It's 66 meters tall and 575 meters long. And the setting was so tranquil and peaceful that Kahan got a burst of creativity and started writing, something that he enjoys a lot.